gonna talk about that features of the Sony Xperia Z4. First one is design. Sony is popular for putting their Omni design into use for almost all smartphones released over the past year. An oversized power button which barely takes a look to locate and press, and the other buttons all put in one side. Second one is display. The 2K display on the new Sony Xperia Z4 is going to be 5.5 inches. The bigger display might make the market competition neck to neck for the Samsung Galaxy Note 4. Sony might still choose to stay with 1080p instead of QHD. When coming to hardware configuration, the Sony Xperia Z4 is going to ship with Qualcomm's latest chip Snapdragon 810, alongside a 3GB RAM. Other popular claims say about a 4GB RAM. Speed settings like Bluetooth 4.1 and LTE Cat.6 connectivity. Highest amount of LTE channels have been allocated for flawless voice and internet communication. Next one is firmware. Sony Xperia Z4 is going to ship with the current Android OS Lollipop. The Sony Xperia Z4 is going to release with Android 5.0 Lollipop pre-installed. LG G4 will give a good fight to Xperia Z4. When coming to price, Sony hasn't shed any light on their Xperia Z4 pricing, yet. 6 months ago when the Sony Xperia Z3 was launched, it had the price tag of $630 for a contract-free device. Sony Xperia Z3 price has fallen down a bit and more fall is on the way. Probably the Xperia Z4 will replace the Z3's price tag. Thanks for watching my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.